walked through the gate with his papers in hand. Aruba to Boston, back to his land. No cuffs, no crime, just questions in code. They took his phone, they took his load. An iPhone humming with clients' fears, years of stories, sweat and tears. They said it's routine, just part of the scam, but routine's a weapon when they silence a man. Borderline justice, drawn in the sand. Rights that we built now slip through our hands. Freedom's not safe when the watchers deceive. Who defends the defender when they make him leave? He's an advocate, not a spy. He taught the law to speak, not lie. They claimed security, whispered suspect, but truth was the threat they couldn't protect. No warrant, no reason, just powers disguise. Another small cut where liberty dies. And somewhere in court a judge will read a brief that began with a silence plea. Borderline justice, ain't gonna scream. They weaponize silence to keep us unseen. Freedom's not given, it's fought for and bled. Who guards the lawyer when rights turn to dread? They said it was legal, they said it was fair, but nothing is lawful when truth isn't there. If words can be seized, if thought can be chained, then the flag we salute is already stained. From Boston to Texas to DC's halls, they're testing the edges of constitutional walls. Today it's his phone, tomorrow your file. Each search a footstep down freedom's aisle. We've seen this before, the same old disguise. Order and safety with justice's eyes blind. But the law is a promise, not paper or code. It dies in the dark when no one says no. Borderline justice, written in gray. They'll call it protection while taking away. But silence is guilt when the brave are denied, and justice can't live where the watchers hide. They say it's one phone, just one little thing, but liberty dies not with swords, with strings. Each string a policy, each lie a plan, each search a reminder they can, because they can. When truth becomes classified, the truth becomes lost, and freedom is measured by what it can cost. No bars, no chains, no visible crime, just rights eroded one checkpoint at a time. Borderline justice, stitched in our name. They draw the red lines, we shoulder the blame. If silence is safety, then justice is gone, and all we have left is a whispering song. So rise from your desk, from your office glow, from the comfort of knowing what you think you know. Your oath was not ink, it was courage and flame, and history waits for the ones who proclaim that truth has a cause, but silence has more. Each sees devices, the sound of a war, and if they can stop one, they can't silence 10 until justice forgets what it means to defend. To every attorney with truth in their name, your silence is echo, your courage is flame. Pick up your pen, make the filings burn bright, defend the defenders. It's our turn to fight. Borderline justice, time to reclaim the soul of the law, not the shadow of shame. Raise every brief, raise every voice, to guard what remains, to stand by our choice. If one is detained, then all are at accused. If one voice is silenced, the nation's abused. Let the oath mean something, the pledge be true. Defend the defenders. The next one is you.